Hello. Okay, I want to talk about one of the steps that you must go through before purchasing a home. One of the first steps I like to send my clients to a lender after our first consultation. This is to help them start the process of being pre-approved, okay? And I like to get a pre-approval before we actually go out looking for homes because it's our purchasing power. For one, it's going to let us know how much the bank is actually going to give you to purchase a home. But more importantly for my clients, it's going to let them know what programs they qualify for, if they qualify for down payment assistance and how much assistance that will be, as well as what their interest rate will be with said program. This is important because this is one of the main factors as of what your mortgage payment will be every month. Because on a mortgage payment, you're going to pay the escrow, what is your taxes, you have to pay insurance, and if you have HOA, some communities have CDD, that's all added to your mortgage payment, okay? So the purchase price and the interest rate determines that mortgage payment of the purchase price. That is why I like to get a pre-approval done for my clients before I take them out. Receiving that pre-approval lets you know your purchasing power, it lets you know your interest rates, and it gives everyone a better idea on where we should actually be shopping for your home, because we'll make sure that we're shopping for a home that's tailored to your wants, tailored to your needs, as well as, and most importantly, as tailored to the mortgage payments that you will want to pay every month. Okay? So I like to do that first because I don't want to get your hopes up. For one, I don't want to take you out. And now we have to go through the pre-approval process, which can take a while because you have to submit quite a few documents. So it's going to take you, it takes most folks a couple weeks to get all those documents together so that they can submit those documents and receive that pre-approval. So that is why one of the first steps, I'm sorry, this sun, guys, is Florida. Okay, there we go. Okay, brown skin girl. Okay, I'm done. But yes, that's why one of the first steps to purchasing a home, if I'm your realtor, will always be to make sure that you're pre-approved for a home, so we will know how much the bank is giving you, what that interest rate will be, how much down payment assistance you will receive, and that will also help you know how much you will most likely need at closing. So yeah, that's one of the first steps towards purchasing a home, is getting your pre-approval, and that is one of the reasons why.